Hey, Baba bomtu Soweto, Baba bosia, Baba bo billion. Wait, Umpume, the PK, Ufenya. Hey, 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 Shalawe. 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 Sigiza, 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 Sigiza.
Hola bafethu, this is Big Billy, the biggest Bali in the building, alongside CJ
Makamoga. Hamani bafethu. We're back with the shit. Episode 1
episode 4
season 2.
Yeah, I know the last video we said episode 4, but yeah, I know it was a mix up of things, but that's episode 3.
Yeah, what you call the behind the scenes?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
The one Toda Konasis Pambi.
Oh, yeah.
Because that one we couldn't keep on going because then the laptop had switched off, but the cameras were still recording.
Okay.
I had to cut off the editing.
Oh, yeah. But otherwise, what's the story? What's the crack?
Nothing much, Mechi. Easy. Like a Sunday morning.
Easy like a Sunday morning.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, no, easy. So, what do we speak about on the, what you call?
On the behind the scenes.
On the behind the scenes, because I'll tell us I'll tell us with Ian and I'm feeling active version.
No, speaking about our relationships, like ubudlelwane, one question I asked JD was, I'll ask it again this episode, was, you are dating this girl,
And this one seems to be interesting. I need to open a beer for this one.
And then a guy, someone that this guy is dating some other girl out there, good.
No, I don't think I'm following. What do you need?
No, okay, let me start fresh. Scenario based. It's not about me, ne?
Okay.
Okay, ne? Yeah. Let's say, instance, let's take it in this sense that it's me, ne? I put my shoes in this situation.
Okay.
Ne? It happens with, okay, whether there's a guy, ne?
Yeah.
Whether we talk with a guy, ne? The guy knows, ukuthi vele njani uPK ushaye ngogelelwana yabo. And nami ngiyazi ukuthi avele umjida unentombi yakhe vele yabo. Then but you're gonna see the guy is gonna be texting your hand and stuff and you see.
But technically you said uma uzishaye ngomntwana, so which means akakajoli naye.
No, not like ukuthi niyajola nje. Actually maybe my explanation got wrong.
Liyajola nomntwana and then umjida ngowakho, your friends, one of your friends rather.
Yeah, not like close friend.
But umuntu omaziyo.
Yeah.
Okay, then yena umuntu omaziyo kanjalo starts making a move on ushero wakho.
Sedlala ama chess moves yabona.
You have a test among waters.
So mina sensitive JD, how do you, like, as a guy, not thinking of having that fighting like kind of approach, how do you like go about things, like how do you address how do you address it?
Well, mina umqondo wami is it's not biased because I'm gonna speak for umjida oyenzayo lo Cherry oshelwayo, right? So I think 80% of it goes ukuthi uCherry yena i-response yakhe ithini to lo mjida lo oyenza ama movies. uCherry I believe ukuthi same time maybe umjida if yenza ama movies uCherry should tell me tabheka imember yakhe yenza soda so yabo. If la engasayenzanga njalo uCherry wami, she's also at fault. And umjida mina yabenza mconfronta imbuzo ukuthi kanti wena ndoda awufaka yakwazi ukuthi izimethe zami lezi manje uyenza njani
singari naka
zofuna ukuyenza komgwendevu zofuna ukungena center suzenza itswape mina
Thomsipha mbala
but ngambuza ukuthi kanti usudala ziphi manje
ngenzakalana yabo. So yeah, that was one of the questions I asked. Let me see.
But mina I want to ask ukuthi what is what do you think ukuthi eSouth Africa manje njengoba ARVs sefaliwe so about abagula what a time ukugula yo anhleki azanhleki don't laugh, not laughing because kaw phela if sithatha ukuringa mase singathi sindaba lesisihlaziya kahle ne abantu bazofa dog. So manje abantu bangasa collect imithi yabo, then what next?
But then I think besides like imithi ne I think you can go about things in a different way. For example, change the way you eat, starting from there.
But how do you, but philosophy
like I understand the sunayo vele ndana ne ndoda start eating more healthier, exercise
even if unga exercise ne but really booster nje ya booster ukuthi ube ngumqemane.
But then I think there's even more traditional ways like to approach these things. Maybe abaningi ne bengabe bengela that technology la mimi bengila technology ngingagula la ngkhona
lakwazi ukuthi uyaqala ngayo
ngaba ngomunye stigma bonzo ngathi
ngika ukugula guys testani ngilitshele especially lapha island kumele lihlala liye test anditshele manga
go busy ne
abantu baphuma ngespeed la but that being said sikhuluma ngokugula. I mean I do believe ukuthi ikhona i-cure ye-HIV and AIDS. Don't you think so?
Yeah, I mean I think very ikhona.
Mabe ngayi expose and imagine ukuthi i-US government how much are they losing if ever they expose the cure to HIV and AIDS, because how many people are infected with that thing worldwide, and what would happen if they give people the cure to that shit, because they'll be losing out on billions and billions.
Yeah, because then if what do you call this, if medical treatment becomes for free then basically there's no need for people to go to hospitals. If you're a doctor, if you're a nurse,
then I'll send a span.
Yeah,
friend shop, I'll send a span.
Because then I don't need now to come to you and say I have this, I can cure myself.
Yeah.
But then I think one thing that affects people is this synthetic type of foods, like
synthetic type of foods,
processed foods.
Yeah.
Even most of us maybe esihlala mouse dead.
As McDonald's saying ngazo zonke indlela. Awula style engazayenhle McDonald's ngaso nje.
Even our KFC so bore nje, but then I think indlela esidla ngakhona
it also contributes,
ungangokuthi noma cha vele sukugula vele kuhle kube worse ngoba umzimba wakho
untenge awunama proteins nama vitamins adingakalayo.
Kabe kushoda kula
balance in between.
Wena nje sudlela ukuthi awulala udlile uvuke.
Hey, speaking of which guys, abantu mele bajime ezesho nje.
Gym
nduda. Kodwa ngifisa yazi. afisa ndoda ukujima but ayi
wena wawujima last year kwahamba njani?
ngasoli motivation somewhere along the lines. Asoli motivation somewhere along the lines that ayi lokho ngikukana lensimbi ziyasinda ndoda. Zasinda ndoda. Hayi. Asenzwile mbona hayi. Ngapha ndoda akithi bathi no pain no gain and ukuze babuhlungu dog uyabona ngaze sometimes maybe lo chair wakho abilities sami style esi uzwe lapha ndoda kubuhlungu njani mawuchaya ama squat or mawu 6'9 ndoda useyabhoboka ndoda bona uzima lokuhlala toilet ndoda hayi
akubanje cramp
ngisachuna izinto phela kayiwani hey ndoda yambamba so wani ayeqonde awona zakwanizi ndothikala yathi senulokile hayi
manje inkinga ungaphanika ne le yamasu yawoma wena ngoqina usinyawo kumele urelax nje
muscle pull
no like ungaba le-cramp ukhona omunye umjida ne ezimo ne bengidlalele enye club so mangitshela no mina bengidlala handball yeah
yini handball
angazi bese ayifani ne-hurling such ne it's like ibhora ne kuyarechwana uyabhampisa uyayeqa ne para khona ukhava ngezinyawo ne
Like ukuthi ngezandla
no ngezinyawo
ukhava ngezandla
no awukhava njani ngezandla yeah so bedlala nje size 3 nyanga so khona umunye umjida la ku club engidlala khona besibiza Ajax le club ngithola lo mjida wabanjwa icramp ngithola waqinisa unyawo isiqwanga zakhe bezingalingani esinye bese ngathi siqinisiwe esinye singathi si relaxing yeah vele
ungaqinisa
vele
yahle stuck njalo
kulama chance vele ukuthi vele yaqina imuscle yana
ndoda ngiyifaka zinzima leyo but how do you feel about racism e-Ireland?
Racism
because
first of all in Ireland racism they don't look at it like as a crime.
Yeah, give it some because that's so funny because Nama Irish technically this is not ilizwe labo now. Technically akulona ilizwe labo leli because
lizwe labo Peter
ndoda ngapha kugcwele izitabane ay no homo but ay asizitabane kuyafiwa mnganami asizitabane kuyafiwa ndoda ngapha baphinde bebe racist.
Ibonile le video engusendele yona those guys were wearing orange in Dublin
dog amajita kawo nti majita kanti
abona these days they are walking on the wrong side of the street.
Anyways ndoda azi senze akhohle into efuna ukuyitsho azi wena
I'll do the stumble style
but no I feel like abo Peter ne mele bayohlala bodwa Robben Island bodwa because at the same time ne yabona mina I didn't have a problem with gay people until sin happened.
What happened?
Bengisase Jozi I was still in South Africa by then. Manje ngibuye Spani ngidlule ebar yabona ayithi mbambe 1 2 3 4 nyana before ngiyolala yabo ngiqale ngoti ibhiya yokuqala ngichaya ingakapheli kubuye ibhiya yabo asibuza ukuthi ibhiya leyo bangayithenga ngaphela mina kodwa umjita yantshela ukuthi no that guy bought you a drink Ungakloki mina ekhanda ukuthi maybe nguPeter wathatha ukuthi maybe because la ehlele yiwana yabo la mina ngihlele ngiwatshela maybe member njani uporakele ufuna size ama get together sesihlalele bona sinathu utshwala ngichaya ibhelede ngichaya ngibe sengichaya le ngithengeleyo phela ngisayitshaya le anomjida 2 minutes azwakale afika ngibulise grand njenge out swal how far is mnandi fethu hayi thank for beer. You know what, next round is on me yabo na umjida ndoda mbona seqala like ngiyabona manje sengikhulumisa komfazi ndoda sekhuluma lami ngathi ngumfazi ngiyazibuza ukuthi mina
sesese
manje ngiqale ngayithathela ekhanda futhi ngoba yabona angisumuntu judgmental mina yabo qale ngayithathela ekhanda hawu manje ayibona into iyaqhubeka into le until azengishilo umambane anshile ndoda ayeshela ne ihle imtshele straight ukuthi me my bra I like girls yabo I'm sorry if I gave you the wrong impression onga ukuthi if sungishelela ukuthi nathi libia yakho ne fine ngizakuthengele enye ibia kumbe ngunikeze imali yakho ngithengele ngayo ibia yabo anything so that you can just get out of my face right now ungantshela lokho ngitshela khona undoda embuze ethi ngithi ngimtshela ukuthi mina I like women yabo vele mina ngi straight angigobanga ambuze ukuthi have you ever tried it before ngithi indoda just told me I'm straight mina kanti sifuna nithini ongambana ndoda ebethi yena but how do you know if you haven't tried
ezama indlela sonke
phela ngaba phela sengicabanga ukuthi umjida lo ngimchaye kumbe yenzeni because ngathi sengimchayele futhi bazothi mina am against izitabane sengimchayela to gay ndoda mbona umember ndoda sesithina how do you know if you haven't tried so uyamphendula uthini umuntu after that umtshela uthi ndoda mina ngithanda bochira ethina how do you know if you haven't tried
azima ukukhuluma kanjalo ne ecaba le video leyo umjida lo thi lemon barangwe akazi ngiyasekhongo ngiyakuphi le house ethi lemon barangwe hey
umbone pharango
wasilwa umjida uthi wayephelelwe ne ukuthi bengashelwa isitabane uthi khona apha yazi angakholisa abafazi sezimfuna lamadoda futhi
ndoda but that's why ngithi futhi these days amantombazana ne you should be careful amajida masithi semajensini majida adlana these days manje you don't have to worry about girls, worry about boys. Hey yakutshela ayikwamanga mnganami bona azabanye amajida who cheat on their girlfriends with men
obvious
like yabona amadoda
can be someone's wife
amadoda sesele si5 so emhlabeni maybe masiphela the rest
the rest
sengabo Peter ndoda sengabo Peter and amajida kawo surprisingly swali ne most of these men. I also used to know a guy ne it was that guy thina besimazi ngasumuntu okay but he told us something what Lina amagay alemali kwamele sitshela amagay ukuthi imali bayithatha ngapi ndoda athi amagay alemali athi mina ngisisitabani kodwa lokho ngenzela imali athi so vele akuchwapanisi Arsenal wathi ya machita la tanika imali ngithi about istima sakho about istima sakho ubona ukuthi wena suzuvulela enye indoda izivuni ngenxaza imali
abantu bengabona imali yamehlava le sebebona ukuphambi kwawo khona so kukhononko wabanye abantu bathi ithi ngenze nje
just for fun
hayi ndoda ngiyenze nalokho
dasibonile imiliyoni lapha
amnache hayi kwamanga nayichiya so wena PK utshela ukuthi imiliyoni yakho nona ungayikholisa ukwazi ukuthi uyenzeni
udawule Arsenal nje
ukwazi ukuthi uyenzeni wena for imitha le
yahamba udokotela.
Imagine masusiye 69 ke uzenza njani?
Ukufika
uPK yayikopi 1 million uPK ethi hamba kudokotela yenzani kudokotela.
Lebe shale wonke phakathi. Ehamba so. Sekunzima.
ya.
Lokusamba nje ubona amachala anabamba ama crashes.
Ubona ukuthi awusakwanisi ungambalisa kuchwapanisi Arsenal.
Ya ngimnayo akusostyle zawo ezinje.
Other than that, do you really do you think ukuthi at some point umhlaba uzaphela? Because mawuthatha ukubheka ne most of izinto ezikhulunywe eBhayibhelini not 100%, not 100% of izinto ezikhulunywa eBhayibhelini is it true, but some of them are true and some of them are actually happening in real life.
Yeah, I mean
so do you think mabethi umhlaba uzaphela at some point? Do you believe ukuthi that's a point vele so at some point kuzofika lapho?
I think iBhayibheli sometimes it's not speaking directly.
Yeah, it will never speak directly.
Yabo. So ungangokuthi maybe ukuthi umhlaba uzaphela doesn't mean ukuthi necessarily ukuthi maybe umhlaba uzaphela, because then that is ngabantwana uNkulunkulu asikwazi silinde uNkulunkulu. But then like there's signs like in the Bible that the Euphrates river will dry up. The river is drying up.
It's drying up now.
So then there's azinto la mangukuthi umuntu or the spirituality in your life, and it gives that kind of charge, like mangithi charge, ne? Like you want to charge you for now. It gives you that kind of charge in your life, ne? In your consciousness, whereby do you meditate, like and so like iBhayibheli lithi meditate upon it day and night. Ungangokuthi maybe thina abaningi wethu saphoma ukubala nje kawani nje kodwa
still in reach to understand.
Ubalo bazobalisise yabo ukuze ezinye izinto uzizwisise la kodwa lapho uNkulunkulu ayizange kuchona. But then omunye umuntu wayengitshela ukuthi hayi iBhayibheli labhala omunye umuntu nje ngawo, yabo. So then it might be questionable, but then
but
I might have my doubts, but I mean I believe it.
At the end of the day, I'm a believer because I don't believe ukuthi umhlaba wavele waziyenzakalila wodwa wathi hayi manje kube lo mhlaba kuzaba labantu abaphila emhlabeni. Dog yazi ziningi izinto emhlabeni nje ne la uyabona ukuthi no, there is someone who's behind this. There is a higher power. That's why I think into that got people fucked up. Ezinye izinto that got people fucked up is because there is a lot of religions now, right?
Besides
and manje Muslims they believe in more than one God, yeah?
No.
Yes. Our Muslims they pray to more than one God from what I know.
No. You know the other day, what day was that? It's Monday or Tuesday. I was off both days, but between one of the days there's this guy, I don't know if you know him, from Red Cow. Umfichane, so my friend.
So I knew my friend Red Cow.
Yeah. So we were pay manje and so on. So I asked him just a simple question. I'm like, Machi, can I ask you something? If your religion has Moses and has Abraham, how come both of us have two different religions and two different people pray to, like, Then we had a whole conversation, like 20-30 minutes. Yeah. So then he was like, they believe in prophets. They believe like that.
Prophecy.
Prophets.
Or prophets.
They believe that Jesus Christ was a prophet. He was not the son of God. Yeah. But then there's also a religion. I think one day many visit umuntu a church or something.
Yeah, maybe because mina umbono wami is ukuthi at some point the religion was introduced as a capitalism scheme to
yeah,
capitalize abantu
during slave trade colonization.
ngama-Simpsons
yeah, yabona ama-Simpsons, people should watch the Simpsons. Yabona everything that the Simpsons predicted long ago is happening in today life. It's happening.
But
They
it's
said
not. It's not everything.
it's not everything, but 80% of what they act on Simpsons.
Yeah.
abonisane like ngabe ngibheke inye izolo I think aka-95
Yeah.
babebonisa bethi uDonald Trump
Uzawin.
uzaba president ne and then
the world will
esitulweni,
collapse.
and then bathi nge-election ka-2024 uzabuyela futhi esihlalweni nangu futhi umembo uva
Phakathi inside.
phakathi inside
And-
ngapha ingcosi yakhe ingcosi ka-Trump manje yenza
Ngubani ufana lo wa-Trump?
ongucherry lo
Uyenza.
khohle igama lakhe lo
Uyenza.
Nah, I think but she's gonna be running for i-presidency ngasikudala
Ubani?
Ingcosi ka-Donald Trump.
ingcosi ka-Trump le ngucherry nale ngucherry vele edlalela eParliament manje vele bathi ithwalisa abantu nzima vele
Besides uTrump lina limbona njani umember lapho, because mina I feel like Trump doesn't mind about to declare world war something now.
very bafethu that guy is a
Trump mina guys.
No, Trump is a
business- he's a
businessman.
businessman.
Because khathesi sokuthiwa gold card, visa, what American visa. Did you hear about it?
No.
Angakayi-
But you-
Serious?
Twan.
It's like it's like 5 million or so
Of what?
to get an American visa.
5 million
Yeah.
US dollars.
Yes.
5 million to get a visa.
Yeah. Gold card, what to be allowed to work and stuff, housing, what you didn't hear about that. Maybe I might be wrong about the housing and stuff, but yeah.
No, but I just feel like Donald Trump at some point. That guy is capable of a lot. Ungamuthi manje, even if he's a businessman, but I don't think it was a wise idea to cut off ARVs in South Africa or any form of medical.
No, but then look,
because-
South Africa join a BRICS nation. Already,
and it's our
it's-
enemies with America.
yeah, it's two different allies.
Yeah, so they
Yeah,
needed
so-
to. They're like South Africa must pick a side. Mara.
But besides that, I think when you look at these videos of people who do economic things, talks and stuff, I might not go word for word,
Yeah.
but then people seem to be talking about this. It's like there's a rise to Iloku's what you call this, I'm a BRICS nation. They are rising. Look at how many countries joined BRICS nation last year alone.
How many countries?
I don't know, but there's
Quite a
a
number
lot,
of them.
yeah, especially a lot of African countries.
Suzule nge-United Africa. They're trying to do what's this? They're trying to unite African countries as a whole,
Yeah.
as a continent, and then they want them to use the same passport, like
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
like
Throughout the whole
yeah,
of Southern Africa.
Yeah, throughout the
Whole
the
of Southern Africa.
No, throughout the whole Africa.
Wait,
Not just Southern Africa, but
Yeah,
the whole
yeah,
Africa.
as a continent, as
Okay,
an African
okay.
continent.
Okay.
Because I think there are South Africa and Nigeria. I think if they are not covering the passports, I think they are covering the finances, if I'm not mistaken. Then who's the president? I think the president who's this guy? Chiwera. No man. This guy for Burkina Faso. Ooh, I forgot this guy.
Burkina Faso
The
ilabo
president yakhona.
labo Baltazar.
Baltazar country yakhe yayaziwa. Lami ngiqala ukuyizi country ka Baltazar.
I-president I think unguchiwera ngubani upresident lo ohamba ngemoto ezifile yena ama-doctor akhe hamba ngama-fortune amatsha wonke nje
Mnangagwa.
hayi unankakhonza kancane hayi nje ukuthi I think nguchiwera ngiyasikhohlwa isizathu sakho member wami is the only African president nje odevelop ilizwe lakhe ukudlula wonke ama-African countries because abodokotela lapha bathole behamba ngama-Fortuna banikeza like wathengele izibhedlela zonke ama-Fortuna nama-truck kanje kuthiwa yini ama-truck lana ane-equipment esibhedlela sengikhohlwa ukuthi abizwa ngalo
ama-ambulance
ama-ambulance
that yini truck equipment esibhedlela
there's an ambulance then ama-mobile clinic yabona ama-mobile clinic lawana aseJozi lana behamba ngama-truck
okay ngiyabona
bathenga wonke nje kumjidalwana batshela udokotela wathi kuse yabona ama-village wonke lawa la mekanisho ukuthi izigulane zonke ziyazelapha manje nazi imoto ezintsha ufuna ukuze kuthiwa la moto
nazi imoto la.
But then speaking of,
if Elon Musk la ingayenza njalo, okay, sorry.
Elon Musk kalanda wa South Africa. But then it's just a proportional question. Like,
okay.
Do you think onganguti? I know there's been a lot of talks ukuthi Mashonaland uthakazi ne.
I mean, izima ngiyazi kakhulu, but go on.
Like,
go on.
Some people want ukuthi kube uthakazi ngale kube Mashonaland wasale lo mnanga kwabo ngana. Lathi ngapha cause amandebele if you never knew ne thina sila inkosi yethu
sinenkosi yethu thina
his name is Buthelele something Khumalo. I think it's Khumalo his name. Yeah yangithola. But then my question now is ne ungangokuthi maybe sithi okay even Zimbabwe igcwelele yonke ne. Do you think if abantu ne not saying that it's compulsory yangithola but do you think if abantu sonke lapho singathatha maybe sisuke eZimbabwe wathi yangithola singathatha ama €5 no 1 si invest nje eZimbabwe nje sithi but imali yethu bazayidla
abayidla umnangakwa ngizathiwa sefake lo mfana wakhe kuphi esihlalweni sezwatwathi
into lana yangagcina bethi abandebele embakho sebefuna uba lelizwe labo phakathi
yikho phela ngitsho khona ukuthi
amashona ahlale wodwa
angithi vele before Zimbabwe was colonized it was Matabeleland and Mashonaland.
Yeah.
It was never one thing. Yeah, not like ukuthi ngizamkuba try.
So it came from Twayin.
No, it was one country ne.
But it was
ngapha abanye babehlala bodwa.
It was in sanctions.
Kufana namanje phela kusasenjalo.
Kunjalo but then if you look at Zimbabwe dog, this other half of the country seems to be getting more developed than the other half.
Which side? The Lamashona for sure.
Sure.
Ngizwa kuma abantu besisho bathi le Harare le abathi kuyishwama ndoda. Bathi ku fresh bathi lo mgwaqo nje uperfect.
Awula ma pothole.
Asifike eBYO awuzayigcina into yakho nje.
eBYO kungayi eBulawayo.
eBulawayo.
BYO.
Yeah, I'm first, not like, but then yeah, one khona ukuthi half and half of it yabo.
And anyways, why I want to amaZimbabwe to iBulawayo, iBulawayo. IBulawayo.
Amashona to Bruwe.
But enough of amashona lamandebele but khuma Elon Musk liwena ukuthi umjidalwana will not contribute ekufeni kwelizwe like njengoba sefuna ukuintroduce ama robots wakhe which are programmed obey or rather respect white people more than black people.
Yeah.
But lezi zinto zi-racist isibali. Back to the point of racism. Ukuthi if Elon Musk engaletha ama-robot wakhe lapha
phela le program uthi libe racist ne alizaba wese nje ukudlula yena
because it is racist lezi zinto lezana sibali because if you try to pick up ama videos that is uploading these days, like they not uploader as if it was fake or in, but it was a video of him with a robot, bruh. That is taller than you, bruh. And then that thing had his face, you know. That thing had his face. So I don't know if it was fake or what, but bruh. I is a movie there. Will Smith that I Robot is I Robot.
Yeah.
That will happen at some point if a Simpsons. The Simpsons. Hey,
bruh. Because ungakhumbula kahle ne baqala ama-Simpsons ababe nama self-driving cars, ababe nama cellphone, ababe nama Android before kuzoba le iOS. Bakuyi-Android. Yabo ama-smartwatch lawa asekhona manje ama-Apple Watch akuphuma kuma-Simpsons. I-Tesla yona le Simpsons.
But then
no, like, Simpsons, that guy, I wanna what directed the Simpsons, ne? Yeah. I wanna know what his source again, because that guy seems to know a lot, bruh. Because I wanna, there's a lot happening in this world, bruh, apart from what we see in everyday life. There's a lot happening in this world, dog. It's so scary, dog. I feel sorry for the next generation. I feel sorry for the next generation if I'm still alive to see it, of which I hope I'm not. But ngathi kusazoniwa in the next coming years isibali sazoniwa emhlabeni ayeke kube mnandi, angeke kube mnandi
because ngonenye iclip kuma Simpsons bethi vele sazocontrola
ngama-robots isibali
into okhuluma ngayo.
And how about that island ukuthi, or rather that island, but emhlabeni wonke ukuthi manje everyone feels ukuthi they can be what they wanna be, not in terms of ukuthi I wanna be a pilot, I wanna be but I couldn't believe it, bro. Do you know what there are people in Ireland who classify themselves as dogs?
Yeah, there's people who say they are pets.
The fuck is happening? I classify as a dog. How do you go against God's will when you are a man and then you tell, or rather you classify yourself as a dog?
There's this guy I know on Instagram. I don't know which country he's from, but he stays in Ireland. Travels a lot. Like, if you see the guy, and you are that guy, like, probably if you see the guy coming, and you're walking with your girlfriend, you're probably gonna be like, this guy. He looks good. Like, I'm not no homo type shit. He's a good looking guy.
Yeah.
Goes to the gym. He's very bulky, like proper built guy. But he's divorced.
I told you, these days men are dating other men. Men are dating other men, and it's very wrong, dog, because God created Adam and Eve, not Adam and Steve.
Nase gym bakhona. Nkulunkulu wami.
Sesaba lokujima ndo esibhekile nje. Sesaba lokujima ndoda.
Ngaze singene mo. Usathi top insimbi lapha nje.
Because
no, but then as I think phandle, like sengikhulumela like being incarcerated, like ukuba sejele. I think phandle is better than inside. The reason being is there's this boy who was at my school, and ngicabanga uzula ukuthomba. And course,
get to the point.
But
get to the point.
You see this thing of being unruly and stuff. And so look at so you know that road, the lifestyle, it led him down a road very good. Very macala very. And I caught her very cherry in Shanshire. Umchita ngitho happened ukuthi umchita had to be admitted especially athi umchita ucela ama-sperms sisi
ucela ama-sperms esibona
esiswini
hayi
Ndoda phela laphana ndoda mawufika laphana sijela mpaka.
Ujithi ugcele lezicheneni. Ugcele lokutsayi.
Ngicapha umunye
Ndoda ngamanga ubona ukuthi
Abantu abamfonela bamtshela ukuthi ulomunye umjito unomunye umacala wabegazi obhorileyo ngupita yabo ema befike emahosi sebebuza that manje alright uma nje ubulewe yini nje bengupita bathiwa iqolo lonke ligcwele ama-spams iqolo lonke ligcwele ama-spams into embuleleyo
Awuthi umjita vele bahlala bemudle nge athi wena
vele nje vele
cha umdifire vele akazwakala hayi mara kawaya
ngabona vele ukuthi izinto lezi vele azilunganga uNkulunkulu wayengazifuni.
vele loda yazi nasemakhaya from what I know bathi inkunzi egibele ezinye inkunzi what happens
abayibulali
ibayibulala yadliwa ndoda because it's wrong like I don't know I hope amakhata don't come for me after I say this but lesbians and gays it's very wrong guys at some point very very wrong because that's not how the world was programmed
But
to
then
be.
ungakhangela abanye abosisi bethu ne not ukuthi yavele indaba ne but abanye bayithi indaba yabo yahamba phambili kakhulu.
yabo my sister
Phela abanye bosisi bethu ngiyabe sembona ukuthi lapha kusikho kuzenzisa la.
manje madoda alinjela
Lapha vele sokuyikho vele.
alinjeleni ngalizathi ke straight usone abothebe akubhayiza songazishintsha lube ngupita
amna mina ngiqale ngikutshela manga me I want logo tit bathi ngeke ngilulogo thi me I want logo tit
ikhona inye Jozi kahle leyana ibisembaku wayijola lo munye umntwana yabo manje umntwana la asibe emchiya a week before umntwana azozwakala eJozi yabo umntwana efike eJozi ndoda yabo asirelaxile lapha labantwana laba bengiqeda ukuthenga ibhodlela sisaphuza umntwana ethola iphone call ephuma emzini bembuza umntwana bethi kanti wena mntwana umemba umenze ugele ethi likhuluma ngani umemba lithi ngimenzeni njani kuthiwa phela umemba sekangupita la
umjita sethe abafazi sebemhlulile zana 2 seconds athi mpumelelo
Nje mina ngingazonda ngingathula ngiyobhema imbanje nginathi amashita agcwele ndoda.
Can I ask you a question?
Ngeke ngibone.
When do you think ukuthi wena you are gonna stop smoking weed? Because
Man.
Tina weed smokers ne, as much as we don't want to admit it my chance, most yethu singaze sisho ukuthi ano imbanje mina ziyangiconcentrate isimbanje this and that, but too much of anything is never okay. Ongaka ukuthi wena, do you know ukuthi imbanje at some point is to slow down?
Phela mina
I know, hear me out. Think about it.
I know ne.
Eh.
Everything has a side effects even utshwala yabo.
I azojwala utshwala kahle. Utshwala buyenzeni? Utshwala bu innocent.
Wena ngathi liver cirrhosis kodwa liver wathi vela ngapha.
Yakudabula imbambo into le nje imbambo sale zingenye.
Yabona umuntu ohlanza la sebambisisa so ngathi sizaphuma la sisiso ndo.
Ngathi uzaphalaza inhliziyo.
Yabo.
But sabe sikhuluma njalo but senzani? Sadala.
But mina imbanje mngani wami mina mangingela sometimes sengabhema ka1 langa lonke.
No,
ngisabe ngisharp ne.
But kusasa ke sengisho ukuthi mina ngicaba ne
mangingela man. Mina sengazifundisa ukuthi yabona
if I don't have. But the problem
khona isikhathi ne imali benginayo so mara ngiva esipane ngibusy angivele esipane mfethu ngikhathele uzothola ukuthi mawufika esipane bakutshela la espan ukuthi peak volume today 150 items in the warehouse. Yabona la ukuthi wona namuhla
Yanyiwa.
mawufika endlini mfethu kuhlungu la izinyawo izisiqwanga konke nje mawufika nje welala kusasa kumele uvuke ubuyele futhi so isikhathi sokuthi ufike hamba uyethenga ngala maybe abantu ndoda abatshona besendlini maybe ukutshona usendlini vele uzabhema kuphela ngoba kulande
into ozayenza
yabo into engibelieve ngembawula ne sekuya ukuthi uyenzana yabona mawumahlalela aje uzazuqhamuke lo muntu
phela yabona khathesi ne
ubhema kuphela
phela khathesi ungasubhe khathesi akusafani nasemzansi dog ne khathesi une opportunity ukuthi either uyaspana or uyafunda uyangithola and mawufunda
and shout out to those who do both dango
uyangithola ngithola ukuthi mawufunda ndoda uzava isigela mapho uzabhema kuya ngawe ndoda ukuthi vele usazobala usazostudisha or into le yakwenza uzifocus or uyangithola mina mfethu bengidlala namajita escale sibhemi zone mina aphuma nami 5 points ne mara amajita bewubona ndoda 7 points 8 points bazamile abanye baphuma labo 0 1 2 ne
abangazamanga
yabona ukuthi hayi njani into le njani
asiya wonke umuntu
kuya ngementality yomuntu nje because mina mbona ngingumzali ngiyabe sengivakatsha not ukuthi nizayeke
entsangweni abovakatsha
ngabe ngavakatsha
nje mina straight
because amfuni ukuthi umntana wami ne aqala ukubhema athi mina
ngifuna ukuthi xa uzabhema ngifuna ukuthi
azibhemele yedwa engazange wakubona ngami yabona mase kubone ngami ukuthi ngiyabhema mina phela abantwana adopt mindset le ukuthi if umuntu omdala yenza kanje which means it's right so ndoda ngitshela ukuthi ngiyakutshela umntana wami ngizathi ngimenzise homework ngiyabe ngigqoka i-boxing glove eli-1 la uthi wena
ukubhalisa njani
ndoda phela mina okay I'm not intelligent okay ngathini let me not say I'm not intelligent but mina esigela ne mina I had to work hard ukuthi ngipase phela khona abanye abantu ndoda esigela ne isigela like they are naturally school smart or book smart yabo mina ndoda I had to put effort ukupasa ndoda I had to put effort ukupasa ndoda because
everything you do you have to put effort because kufana lokuthi kwesinsikhathi uzoza umuntu ethi yena ubhema imbawula ne ziyamvela phisa umuntu ethi anyavila hayi ndoda wena
ungazitshela kahle ukuthi sengivila vila la
uzavila uthi hayi thi ngicije and relax 2 seconds khohla ngeke usukume but izona zingathi jeng relax udazi yahlanya lezi mina ngifuna
ukuyenza so
uzabona into yakho uzayenza shwa yabo kufana nami abaningi banokuthi into namoshini udriver njani zokubuleli imbawula ngithi madoda mina bengishwa because khona phana ne zingidakile into engitshuna yini concentrate kuphela into engiyenza
concentration
athi ngabasopa nje amehla mabe everywhere nje khangela belokhe busy kuze ngikhohlele ukuthi ngiya drive into shit ngiya drive because ngisopa iqondo njani awuhlalanga phansi
busy
so kwesikhathi imbawula angeke mina angisho ukuthi zishwama kwesikhathi zishwama
akhona vele asifune yonke indawo
phela mina zake sangixoshisa imbanje emsebenzini phela
because
zangixoshisa wanthola undoda lwana mfasa imbanje so hey ngambona sekulate khona lapho ngapha busy ngathi ngimbone uthutsha wo ngathi mathi ngaziphosela lapha ngelanga lelanga ngize ngifike eBraille lapha ngikutshela ijanda sekuchile undoda lo yazi wayenza ibhara lade wafika wathi ngikade ukuzilahla lapha wabona ukuthi zinga yabo wafika waphendla lapha wazikhipha what is this aqala umbuza kahle what is this athi mina this is tobacco is one of those rollies of tobacco you know athi wow you roll such fat tobacco yeah hey man, you know, I'm gonna smoke it the whole day. Azi wayenza wanikeza imbanje zami ne wangiqhubela le light. What if it's cigarette? Light it now. Light it now. Guess yakwakho yayenza.
Right.
Ngalayita ndoda yabo. Ngathi sengilayithile. Ngathi sengilayithile yazibamba ne yathi. Athi please take out your vest and go.
Bawula zalapha sithi ukubamba.
Mina I think Jake yabonani nje ezumjida ne. I think the thing ukuthi ama-chance umuntu kumele abe discipline wona yiko kungena khona discipline angangokuthi
mina ngangumambova laphana ndoda ngangime one dawo nje uyakwazi ukuthi ungene ngo8 emotion uzaze uphumela laphana ngo8 12 hours ndoda ume one dawo
yike ngitsho
phela lapha sengikhinyekile ngcono yenzeni nguthi
yike ngitsho yena sije ukuthi mina myself ne
no BK himself so
mina ngiyabhema fukela bana ngiseni geze
Poshong.
Ngiyochaya kwinto kwami laphana sokhele ngiyogada ibhasi ngiva eSpan fike ngiSpan yeah of course ngifuna ukubhema check but then ucabanga ukuthi yeah sobhemile uzasebenza yini
ngama addicts madoda vumanini ngama addicts addicted
manje ngiyabe ngisaba ukuxoxa eSpanini
yabo because then into lana ruinele reputation yakho the CV yakho wena wayelokhu usebenza uzakho asebenza more than 1 year endaweni e1
ngitho manje sokhuluma ngami vele
no angisho
phela mina ngasebenza more than 1 year agenda ne1
zake ngasebenza
even lokho ntshintshi izipani nje ama
since ngasebenza
eMzansi ikho la engasipana khona 1 year plus but eIreland
ndoda lezinye izipani zokuthi Jake ebekudingeka ukuthi ubaleke straight eSpanini uyobhema imbanje zakho Jake bese sokukwatha
ezinye izipane but mina think vele kumele ube that discipline ukuthi yazi angcono ubhema ungakaya hambe zikubambile khona ngale
umnandi njani
so masuchaya ufike usibhemele ngoba I think lento lana ndoda khona ukuthi like uyabonga kwazi umuntu uyathusha noma mbani nje khona pa noma isince omunye umsebenzi wena utshela ukuthi mashini Todo motion ngale vela betting promotion la.
Emotion.
Feketa ubani. Usije usayine off futhi vele. Use toilet ngale. Hamba nini vele ukule NS2.
Ngizamthola khona vele ipost lakhe.
Uthi uphuma uthola umanage umini.
Ubulindi.
Uyahluya ethuke vele.
I-reaction, first reaction
Sebe bahle bakuseche wena. Khona vele la ukacabangi next. Lama reflexes awaka 8 mawusithi yatubona ukuthi
kubambe shiki
because lokubona manager wami la eSpan ne unakungibuza athi wena ntwana uprefeyani ihasho riwit ngithi ndodazi umbuzo lo siwambuza ka4
ngahle kahle ufuna ukumbamba ne
ngamtshela that day ne wathi hey if you have some you should smoke some ngathi ndoda vele mina mbheme emsebenzini Ngihlala mbhema ugwayi phambi kwakho. Yangithola? Ongangokuthi akulande engifihla yes ngiyabhema imbanje mangikhaya.
But not at work.
Not at work. Ngiyabe ngibhemelana emsebenzini kuyamangalisa. Kaba sengathi phela kumangalisa ukubhema imbanje asiqalanga ubhenga yimi. Omunye umuntu sazozibhema futhi yabo. So I think ezamajida into lana simela ngisibhemela ukukholisa.
Njengoba simnandi sizibhemela. Because lami zathenga ngizibuza ngiziphendula ukuthi kahle kahle mina mbhemelani. Ngahluleka nje ukuthola i-reason evalid as to why I smoke weed. Ngihlulekile ngifuna ukutshela manje. Under depression mina I've never had depression in my life.
Asifana.
Under stress mina ndamntwana. So mbhemelani.
Sithiyane ngembanje ne.
Hayi anyways, let's wrap it up.
Man, before we wrap it up ne. real life scenario, how would you react to a mama's selling a male best friend?
Amgwaza phela ngeke kube le male best friend usaba uMessi.
Ngeke kube le male best friend.
Ukade usaba uMessi. Phela I've been a male best friend to a few girls in South Africa. Ngiyakwazi mina uthi ama male best ayenzani.
Yeah.
Because yabona uCherry uzothi fika kimi entshela uthi hayi tell me this and that. Nasenzani? Vula indlebe kakhulu ngiyenzani? Bisathi ukuthela umthondo. Ngimamela kakhulu into acomplaina ngazo mina senzani? Semphecha. Hayi indoda yami ayithengele ama flowers, wayithengela
ama flowers.
Thenge mina ama flowers. Hey indoda yami
ayenzeki kahle. Wozala ngoTrapanese.
So that's why ngithi Jake ama male best friend. There is no such thing as a male best friend, Jake.
Vele kufana namuthele ngathi
male best friend. Uhlulwa yini wena ukuba le best friend eyintombazana?
Mina ngiyayala nje. Uthele ngathi umoshini male best yami thole mebushelwa ngumembe ehlethi no this is my male best lady lingamfaka
nganjwayeki
inhle ngitshela ukuthi wena ngabe ngimale best yakho ne ngabe ngihamba namanje yokuTrapanese vele
ngabe lo mjida lwakhuluma la phela mina yabona into leyana lami ngingaba imale best la ezinye injiva besiziveta ngidale injiva ungayifuni
ngiyabe sende influencer ngitshela ukuthi hayi lo because ngiyabe sembona ukuthi ngiyasembona besides ukuthi
ukuthi hayi lo and futhi mangakuthanda ngikwazi ukuthi wena vela abafazi lawo uyabathanda kakhulu ngihle ngithi leyana vele leyana yafeba ungayifuni
futhi singachayisani mina lawo senguvali ngihle ngitshothi umntwana ne asidla imali bayabona manje asila angilambona ngilatshwala
ngicele phela sibuka
ngicela imali siyothenga siphuze lawe futhi remember yini
vele ama male best awufuna
ngithi ama male best phansi ngawo phansi ngama male best. Anyways, word of the day, PK.
Word of the day waqala ngami
hayi mfake phela kujabula kutshintshwana nje kujabula kutshintshwana.
Word of the day. Word of the day. Angila word of the day, but guys, lingaza umuntu abasonti iRoma weAnglican Ireland ukuhlatshelwa khona ingoma zesiNdebele. Ngicela gadi ngitshela kami mfumo wami ngajabula guys. Ngithi
awuvumi manje yimi lama secrets wena yabona leli ntshela ama secrets wena akusavumi mangidule akusavumi mangidule.
What's your word of the day Mophoshong?
My word of the day is do not trouble before trouble troubles you.
Danko
Satrap Samatra. I see my photo. That's it from MSL episode number 4 season 2.
Danko from PPD,
the biggest parlor in the building
alongside CJ
Makamu. Yes man, why is it Jake lami mele ngithole I catchphrase ndoda. Ngithi it's your boy CJ. Them sicharo Majia. Ngikawele something echazayo njengo biggest party in the building.
Mina ngayiphiwa ngamajida wami wasekasi ne shout out to the Guptas.
Le mali yini
sikwenza
le mali elizibiza ama Gupta lani liseZimbabwe.
Fana it was a movement. It was a movement. It was a marathon. Mara guys, danko.
Rest.